Hello boys and girls. Today we are talking about one and more than one, otherwise known as singular and plural. Now in our past lessons, we learned that in order to make words more than one, we can add s to the end of certain words and es to the end of specific words. So today we look at another case where we add es to show more than one. So children, when a word ends with o, we add es to the end of the word to show more than one. Let's look at a few examples. Here we see the word potato, potato. The word potato ends with letter O. Here we only see one potato. However, what if we wanted to show more than one? In this case, we have two of them. In order to show more than one, we add es to the end of the word potato. And we do this because the word ends with letter O. For words that end with letter O, to show more than one, we add es to the end of the word. So one potato, two potatoes. So boys and girls, let us look at another example. Here we see one mango. The word mango ends with letter O. If we were to show more than one, we must add e and s to the end of the word. Here we see two of the fruits. To show more than one, we added e and s to the end of the word. Mangoes. And we did this because the word ends with O. One mango, two mangoes. Let's take another example. This is the word tomato. Tomato. As you see, we just have one tomato. Our word ends with O. If we were to show more than one, we should add e and s to the end of the word. So one tomato, two tomatoes. We have added e and s to the end of the word because the word ended with O. One tomato, two tomatoes. Here is another example. Hero. One hero. Our word ends with O. What if we wanted to show more than one? We would add e and s to the end of the word hero because the word ends with O. One hero, two heroes. Here is one last example. One okra. The word ends with O. If we wanted to show more than one, we add e and s to the end of the word because our word ends with O. So one okra, two okras. Very good, boys and girls.